Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a brand new printable on how to make these purple magic envelopes. These are a printable on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. This is the printable and these envelopes coordinate with our purple magic cards that we made a couple of months ago now. So these envelopes are designed to fit our cards just like that, and there's a little label on the front. So today is all about creating those envelopes. So let's have a look. We've got this design here, which is the one I made before, and we have this design. So there's a few different shades of purple. This one's sort of like a warmer shade. This one has pretty purple blossoms. This one's got brighter blossoms on there. And this one is sort of a really true purple. So there's a few different shades of lilacs and purples in this envelope collection. And you can use these envelopes for any card, especially if you love the color purple, then you are going to love these envelopes. I'm going to take you step by step through the process of how to create these envelopes. So let's get started. These envelopes are available as a PDF file and a PNG file on my website, and you can print them out and use your scissors, or you could use your Cricut to cut out these envelopes. Today I am going to be using my brand new Brother scan and cut machine. I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to be using the Brother mat, and I'm going to pop my envelope design. So I printed it onto my A4 white cardstock, and I'm going to pop that onto my mat, and then I'm just going to run it through the machine, scan it, and cut it out. So this is to save me having to use my scissors if I'm getting lazy. Because I find the Brother mat's not very sticky at all, I'm just going to stick it down with some sticky tape, or you could use some washi tape to stick down your design onto your mat. And then we're going to pop it in our machine. The scan and cut's very, very simple. You just load in your mat. You select scan. You select direct cut. You select machine. You select start. The machine will scan the image. Then it will ask you to frame the image, so you can do that by just dragging back these little arrows. Sometimes it adds a little extra line or two, sometimes it doesn't. I've done 6 of these now, and it's okay. I'm not going to worry too much about those extra little lines. I'm just going to press OK, and I'm going to press OK again. And then I'm going to click up where it says please select, and I'm going to choose cut. It's going to cut it all out for me. It's finished cutting now. I unload my mat, and out it comes. Okay, and that's how simple it is. Very, very simple. This is the envelope that it cut out for me. Did a beautiful job on this. Didn't have to pull it off my mat because my mat wasn't very sticky. It just fell off. Very happy with that result. Of course, you do not have to use a Brother scan and cut. You can use your scissors, you can use your silhouette machine, you can use your Cricut machine, you can use whatever you like to cut out your envelopes. But once your envelopes are cut out like this, you are ready to create. They're looking so pretty. I love them. I like to use a scoring board For my folding of my envelopes, that's a personal preference. You may like to try a scoring board and see how you like it. Put your envelope image side down onto your board, line up your little notches there and just go gently until you've established you're in the correct groove, and then go a little bit firmer and then fold back your tab, spinning it around and doing exactly the same thing, going gently till you find your groove and make sure you're lined up properly. Then go a bit deeper and fold it over. Turn it to the side, gently line it up, follow that groove, press down hard, smooth that over, and again, this groove here, fold it over, and that's all of the hard work done. What a beautiful envelope we are creating. So you're going to go ahead now and do that to all of your envelopes. Let's just check that this will fit, but yes, it's a perfect fit, so that is great news. So just repeat that fold on all of your envelopes. And the second last step now is gluing our envelopes, or you can use tape if you prefer. So measure sort of whereabouts the envelope goes to, and then just do a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue here, and then you just press that back of the envelope up. Very, very simple. That's all the gluing required for each of those envelopes. You need to go through and do that gluing to each one of your envelopes. Measure first whereabouts to where you need to glue to, and then just glue on that tab up to that point. And just like that. And then folding that little flap over and smoothing it down. And the last step, I like to pop a little Velcro dot on the flap of the envelope so that the envelope can be opened and closed together. You don't have to do a Velcro dot. You could do double-sided tape on the inside of the envelope and use that. Or if you're going to post it, you might like to do some sticky tape or something very secure. I usually just do a little Velcro dot for cards that I'm hand giving. And that is our tutorial complete. So we now have 6 beautiful envelopes in purple floral designs that we can use to go with our purple magic cards. And close it up, and that is a perfect fit. So I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. You can grab this printable over on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. You'll also find this printable in the Papercraft Secrets classroom. It's a monthly subscription where you get all of my printables for free. So if you're interested in checking out the Papercraft Secrets classroom, you can do so at this link. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.